if you want to test it, is around 4 areas, and quickly, in less than a minute. 1, it's national security. There is no national security in South Africa. The fact that we have soldiers doesn't mean that we are secure. So you have 3 chaps coming from India with a plot to take over the South African state. 3, and they take it over. In a proper state where there is national security, those chaps should have been caught, thrown into a plane without windows, back home. You go to, so that's elite staff, right? On national security. Go down to the level of the masses. Go to my village in Mpumalanga, or any village or township. Somalis and Pakistanis are selling stuff in tuck shops, right? They've taken over. Nobody checks what these chaps are selling. So if they wanted to kill us in our millions, they would. So that's state security. 2 is health. Health in South Africa, forget the sweet tongue of Aaron Motsoaledi, has collapsed. In black townships, no one wants to take their relatives to a township hospital. The 3rd, it's education. Forget the statistics. More than half of the kids who start in grade 1 don't sit for matric. Recently, government has adopted a policy of progression, right? So you progress these people, they don't fail in grade 11. They are now going backwards so that they don't fail, in order to boost the numbers of those who sit. Professor Maluleka teaches at the University of Pretoria. He knows those who start at his university, only 50% of them leave with degrees. So that's education. The 4th is energy security, which is at the center of everything. So that is what I define as politics, not the noise. So if you look at those 4, the South African politics is in a serious crisis. What explains this collapse? There's one big thing that explains the collapse, is the ANC. The biggest threat to South Africa is the African National Congress. If you want to test this theory, think of the ANC under Mandela and under Thabo Mbeki during his first term. The ANC at the time was the biggest asset for this country. It didn't matter whether you hated them or you liked them, you voted them or you didn't vote them. They were an asset. They were the center of our stability. Today, they are the center of our instability. So I've given you a theory without personalities. Thank you.
And made yourself very popular in the process. Professor Maluleka, to say the state has failed, okay, we can talk about the Gupta.